The Green Tea Trio Sponges by Spongeologie comes with 3 vegan makeup sponges. Our unique blenders are made with non-toxic and cruelty-free materials. Perfect for liquid and cream foundation, powders, and highlighters. Our round precision tip is ideal for flawless foundation blending. Just wet and bounce all over the face. Our flat edge sponge is perfect for sculpting your best features. Contour flawlessly and never worry about blotchiness again. Our best-selling sponge is also ideal for setting powders. Our mini-size sponge is not just perfect for traveling. Use the mini perfecting sponge to apply makeup in hard-to-reach areas, such as under the eyes and small creases like around your nose. Take it with you everywhere you go for easy touch-ups. Spongeologie blenders double in size when wet. Use wet for a dewy finish or dry for even a fuller coverage or with powders. Our revolutionary antibacterial foam technology is perfect for all skin types. Yes, even sensitive skin. We don't add fragrances or harmful chemicals. Enjoy the difference of Spongeologie's makeup blenders. You won't regret it.